Stop chasing comfort. Chronic ease is killing your longevity. Your body was evolved to be challenged, not just coddled. Unlock your DNA's defense system with Hormesis. From sauna heat to sulforaphane, master these intermittent stressors to detoxify, protect, and optimize your biology. Welcome to Biohack Protocol Lab, where we explore cutting-edge strategies to optimize human performance. Discover how to unlock your body's full potential. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of biohacking, transforming our understanding of health. It's about optimizing biology for a better life. We'll uncover how environmental and dietary stressors, often perceived as negative, can actually hack your biology for superior health and resilience. The key concept is hormesis, beneficial biological responses to moderate, intermittent stress. It's about adaptive resilience, not overwhelming damage. Hormesis teaches us that challenges like exercise, cold, heat, or even fasting are not inherently bad stressors for our bodies. Instead, these intermittent challenges act as powerful signals, activating robust genetic repair pathways and protective mechanisms deep within our cells. Consider cold exposure. It's a powerful hormetic stressor. Brief periods in cold water can significantly boost your metabolic rate and resilience. Similarly, heat exposure through saunas or hot baths provides another profound hormetic benefit. It triggers cellular repair and stress response systems. Fasting, when done correctly, is also a powerful hormetic practice. It promotes autophagy, where cells clean out damaged components, fostering renewal. These aren't just isolated practices. They are foundational pillars for robust health. Let's explore specific dietary strategies to amplify these effects. Dr. Patrick emphasizes the critical role of cruciferous vegetables. These powerhouses are packed with unique compounds vital for cellular defense. Specifically, compounds like sulforaphane, abundantly found in broccoli and its sprouts, are extraordinary activators of our internal defenses. Sulforaphane is a potent activator of the NRF2 pathway. This genetic pathway is absolutely crucial for detoxification and antioxidant production. Activating NRF2 helps your body effectively detoxify from environmental pollutants and metabolic waste, safeguarding cellular integrity and function. Broccoli sprouts, in particular, contain significantly higher concentrations of sulforaphane precursors than mature broccoli, making them incredibly potent. Incorporating these into your daily diet is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your body's natural defense systems and promote vitality. The NRF2 pathway also drives the production of powerful antioxidants like glutathione, essential for combating oxidative stress and cellular damage. But here's a crucial tip for maximizing sulforaphane. Proper preparation methods can significantly amplify its bioavailability and impact. Adding mustard seed powder to cooked broccoli can dramatically increase sulforaphane levels. The enzyme myrosinase is key for activation. This simple culinary hack ensures you're getting the most out of your cruciferous vegetables, unlocking their full potential for health benefits. For those without easy access to sulforaphane sources, Moringa powder offers an excellent alternative for NRF2 activation. It's a global superfood. Moringa is rich in various bioactive compounds that support the same detoxification pathways, making it a valuable addition to your biohacking toolkit. Beyond diet, environmental stressors offer profound benefits. Let's explore the incredible power of heat stress, mimicking aerobic exercise effects. Heat stress, like regular sauna use, triggers physiological responses remarkably similar to moderate aerobic exercise, benefiting your cardiovascular system. One key mechanism is the activation of heat shock proteins. These remarkable proteins act as chaperones, maintaining cellular health and function. HSPs are crucial for preventing protein aggregation, a process linked to various degenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's. They preserve neuronal integrity. Beyond neuroprotection, heat stress also plays a vital role in protecting muscle tissue from atrophy. It supports muscle protein synthesis. Don't have a sauna? A hot bath is a viable and effective alternative. It offers many similar benefits for cellular and muscular health. Aim for a water temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit and immerse yourself for approximately 20 minutes. Consistency is key for results. This duration and temperature are optimal for activating heat shock proteins and improving cardiovascular function, promoting overall physiological well-being effectively. Regular heat exposure practices, whether sauna or bath, contribute significantly to your long-term health, enhancing resilience and cellular longevity. These practices are not just for relaxation. They are powerful tools for physiological conditioning, promoting a robust and adaptable biological system. Now, let's turn our attention to another cornerstone of optimal health, essential marine omega-3s. These fats are non-negotiable for well-being. Specifically, we're talking about EPA and DHA, found predominantly in fatty fish. They play critical roles in brain and heart health. Quality matters immensely when it comes to omega-3 supplements. Not all forms are created equal in terms of absorption and efficacy. Always opt for marine omega-3s in their natural triglyceride form. This structure ensures superior absorption and bioavailability within your body. Ethyl ester forms, while cheaper to produce, are less efficiently absorbed by the body. Prioritize quality for maximum therapeutic benefits. Investing in high-quality triglyceride omega-3s is an investment in your brain, heart, and overall cellular health. It's truly foundational nutrition. These fatty acids are integral components of cell membranes, influencing everything from inflammation to neurotransmitter function, promoting optimal cellular communication. Regular intake supports cognitive function, mood regulation, and reduces systemic inflammation, contributing to a sharper mind and healthier body. Integrating these biohacking protocols into your daily routine can seem daunting, but it's about making small, consistent, impactful choices. Start by incorporating one new practice at a time. Perhaps a hot bath 3 times a week, or adding sprouts to your meals. Remember the power of cruciferous vegetables and the NRF2 pathway. Broccoli sprouts are incredibly easy to grow at home for freshness. Growing your own sprouts guarantees maximum freshness and potency. This small effort yields significant returns for your detoxification system. Combine your omega-3 intake with NRF2 activators for synergistic effects. A truly holistic approach to health maximizes every benefit. When these practices are combined, their benefits multiply, creating a robust shield against modern environmental and lifestyle challenges we face. This isn't about extreme deprivation. It's about intelligent self-care and empowering your body's innate capacity for healing and resilience. Listen to your body, experiment, and find what works best for you. Personalization is key in the journey of biohacking your health. The goal is not just to extend lifespan, but to enhance health span, living more years with quality, energy, and cognitive sharpness. Every conscious choice you make towards these biohacking protocols builds a stronger, more resilient, and healthier version of yourself. Continuous learning and adaptation are crucial. The science of longevity and optimal health is constantly evolving, offering new insights. Simple habits like adequate hydration and quality sleep significantly amplify the benefits of these advanced biohacking strategies for your well-being. Prioritizing restorative sleep is non-negotiable for cellular repair and hormonal balance. It truly underpins all other health improvements. Hormonal balance, supported by proper sleep and nutrition, enhances your body's ability to respond to and recover from hormetic stressors effectively. Mindfulness and stress reduction techniques, like meditation or deep breathing, further optimize your body's ability to thrive under various challenges. Social connections and a sense of community are often overlooked biohacks. They contribute significantly to mental well-being and longevity. Spending time in nature, often called forest bathing, reduces stress hormones and boosts immune function. It's a simple, profound biohack. A robust immune system is your frontline defense. These biohacking strategies are designed to strengthen it naturally and sustainably over time. Explore other nutrient-dense superfoods that support detoxification and cellular health. Diversity in your diet is truly a powerful tool. Stay curious, stay informed. The journey of biohacking is continuous, offering endless possibilities for personal growth and physical optimization. Optimizing brain health is paramount. Omega-3s, NRF2 activation, and heat stress all contribute to protecting and enhancing your cognitive abilities. Engaging in mentally stimulating activities complements these biological interventions, fostering neuroplasticity and maintaining a sharp, agile mind throughout life. Cardiovascular health is another major beneficiary. Heat therapy and omega-3s work synergistically to maintain a strong, efficient circulatory system. Regular physical activity, combined with these biohacks, creates a powerful foundation for preventing chronic diseases and promoting longevity. Emphasizing whole, unprocessed foods in your diet provides the essential building blocks for cellular repair and optimal physiological function every day. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for nutrient absorption and immune function. Dietary fiber from plants feeds these beneficial bacteria effectively. Incorporating fermented foods rich in probiotics further supports gut health, enhancing the absorption of vital nutrients from your diet. These biohacking strategies influence gene expression, promoting pathways associated with longevity and disease resistance. They optimize your genetic blueprint. Maintaining physical flexibility and mobility as you age is critical for quality of life. Regular stretching and movement practices are essential. Cultivating positive relationships and engaging in meaningful conversations are powerful emotional biohacks that contribute to overall well-being and happiness. Setting clear, achievable health goals helps maintain motivation and focus on your biohacking journey. Celebrate every small victory along the way. Tracking your progress, even with simple metrics, provides valuable insights and reinforces positive habits. Consistency yields profound, lasting results. You don't need a fancy gym. Bodyweight exercises and consistent movement throughout the day are incredibly effective for maintaining physical strength. Combining these biohacks with regular strength training optimizes muscle growth and recovery, crucial for metabolic health and preventing sarcopenia. Fresh vegetable juices are a fantastic way to flood your body with micronutrients and antioxidants, supporting cellular function and vitality. Ensure adequate intake of essential vitamins and minerals through a diverse diet. They are cofactors for countless biochemical reactions in the body. Wind down effectively before sleep. Avoid blue light exposure from screens in the evening to optimize melatonin production and sleep quality. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, helps regulate your circadian rhythm, profoundly impacting energy levels and mood. Don't hesitate to consult with healthcare professionals or certified biohacking coaches. Personalized guidance can accelerate your progress and ensure safety. Your biohacking journey is unique. What works for one person might need slight adjustments for another. Embrace flexibility and self-experimentation with care. Incorporating breathwork into your daily routine can dramatically improve nervous system regulation, reducing stress and enhancing mental clarity and focus. A balanced nervous system is foundational for all biohacking efforts, allowing your body to adapt more effectively to challenges and thrive. Cultivate a positive mindset. Your mental and emotional state profoundly influences your physical health and your body's response to interventions. The mind-body connection is not merely theoretical. It's a powerful biological reality that you can leverage for enhanced health and vitality. View your health as a long-term investment, not a quick fix. Consistent, informed efforts yield compounding returns over time for well-being. These biohacking protocols empower you to take charge of your health destiny, moving beyond reactive medicine to proactive, preventative living. Imagine a future where you not only live longer, but live better, with sustained energy, mental clarity, and physical resilience every single day. This is the promise of biohacking, a scientifically backed approach to unlock your body's inherent power, optimizing every aspect of your well-being. Join us in this exciting journey of discovery and empowerment. Your potential for optimal health is truly limitless when you apply these principles. Thank you for watching and exploring the science of self-optimization with Biohack Protocol Lab. Subscribe for more insights into human potential.